Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to upgrade the look of your car with auto-leveling wheel hubcaps? I'll show you how. Let's talk about this project a little bit before we do it and show you how easy it can be to upgrade the look of your car. Now, the center BMW logo in the middle of your wheels with OEM wheels is actually removable. You may not know that, or you probably do, but they're really easy to get out. You can change them, you can upgrade them, or maybe you just want to replace them because the existing ones are worn, or they've taken rock chips, or they're sun faded, or whatever it happens to be. Now, I'm a real big fan of the auto leveling ones. As you can see, the logo always stays upright. So as you do all four wheels, they're always oriented right while you're parked. But then I've actually seen these stay level while driving, looking at someone else's car, right? It's really pretty amazing how these can stay level. I mean, my previous M2, I saw it doing about 140 or 150 on a dyno with me standing out to the side. My auto leveling cap was sitting right in the middle just perfectly. It was really impressive. But this is such an easy thing. I just wanted to show you how to do it really quickly. I really do love these heritage badges. And in this case, I got the heritage badge auto leveling. Now, BMW doesn't make them OEM, but there's some really great manufacturers out there where you can find these if you go looking. Now, I'll have it linked in the video description if you want to buy these exact same ones. Or you can get the standard roundels from BMW that are auto leveling. Okay, so let's jump down to the wheel.